Hello guys, welcome to Masala Chai. This is Shiv. In my previous video, we had spoken about things one must consider before applying for their first job or maybe trying to attend an interview for the first time. But in this video, we'll discuss more about how to approach a company, how to get in touch with HR department and then apply for a job. Whether you have a degree in arts, commerce, or maybe you are an engineer or whatever specialization you are specialized in, but do consider the career field. Do find a job which is most relevant to your specialization. What are the things you're supposed to consider while choosing a company? Yes, of course, the nature of the business the company has. Know the hierarchy, know the roles and responsibilities the company is offering, know the work-life balance, know the work culture of the company, know the growth and the rate of attrition in that particular company. Last but not the least, yes, of course, the salaries, the perk visits, the benefits the company is offering. Well, think that we have considered all these factors and I have made list of top 10 or top 5 companies which I would like to apply for job. What next? How do I get in touch with the company or maybe HR department and post for a job or maybe post an application? Yes, of course, most of the companies may have placements done through the campus selections. Maybe most of the companies will have connection with the job consultancies wherein you may have to get in touch with the job consultant and then apply for a job. If not these, what are the other options? Yes, of course, you can directly either contact their website, get the contact details of HR department, post a mail with complete details along with your resume saying that what are you looking for. Yes, of course, that could be an option. If not this, yes, I would also suggest you to get in touch with any of the key resources, key people, or maybe the one who is already working in that company. How do I get to know about the key person of that particular company and how do I get the contact? Of course, LinkedIn, you must be knowing about it. I would suggest you to create a good source of information, maybe a resume or biodata on LinkedIn with all your details and the achievements you had done academically and present yourself well so that you can get in touch with other employees and the managers or business owners or anybody on LinkedIn and post queries about how to get in job in their company or anything like that. Build your networking because your networking is all that matters. Apart from LinkedIn, there are other social medias also, maybe Facebook, Quora, maybe you can post questions on and get in touch with the employees or employers. There are Facebook groups, there are WhatsApp groups of all these job aspirants and also employees, employers, wherein most of the information of new job openings or requirements or any information about jobs will be posted frequently. This could be one of the better options for you to build your network, simultaneously be aware about any openings in the market. Yes, apart from this, there will be job fairs, there will be drives, job drives, or maybe wherein all the companies getting together and making a kind of job aspirants in one place and hire more and more people. Would keep happening in Bangalore or maybe any other cities. So be aware about all these events happening and keep updated so that you get more opportunities to get in touch with your employers, the job which is your dream job. I'm mentioning all these things to you because not all the companies would entertain someone who is just holding a resume in their hand and directly walking to their company, because since they have their own protocol or maybe procedures to follow in terms of hiring. So this is what I had with this video, but I will definitely come back with more information as to how to write a resume and then how to appear an interview or maybe the preparations you must do. Say for example, you have an interview tomorrow. We will discuss further more about those things in next videos. Till then, keep watching Masala Chai, keep sharing your feedbacks, keep preparing yourself. Thank you.